Hey guys, Anthony here with an updated overview and walkthrough video on FlexClip, a cloud-based video creation app with which you can create different types of videos using pre-made templates as you can see here. Or you can create videos from scratch using the blank canvas. So here I'm logged into my FlexClip account. In the left side panel in the top right corner, you'll see this Create a Video button, which will take you to this page where you can choose the format and the aspect ratio. I've created a separate video tutorial on how to create videos using FlexClip, so I won't get into the details in this video. So let me go back to the main FlexClip dashboard. I'm in the Home tab. Here it displays all of the recent projects, and we'll get back to this in a moment. Down below, you'll see various video templates. These templates are categorized in various categories. As you can see, there are many different categories. So let me just scroll back down and then up. You can use this search box to search for specific templates. You can click this See All link, which will display all of the videos in that specific category. You can hover your mouse on a specific video template to get a preview of what the template animation looks like, as you can see here. You can click the Customize button if you want to use that specific template. Again, I'll be creating a separate tutorial on this. In the My Projects tab, it will display all of your video projects. You can also create folders to organize your video projects. For example, here I've created a folder for all my logo animations. And if I click on it, it will open the specific folder. Let me click on the All Projects at the top, which will bring me back to the My Projects main page. On each of the video projects, you'll see these options down below. You can download the video project to your computer. You can share a link hosted on FlexClip. And if you click on these three dots icon, you'll see several more options in this dialog box. For example, to duplicate and share the project. If you click on this Edit button, it will open the FlexClip video editor where you can edit the project if you need to. Now, I won't go into much detail here, but I'll cover some of the basics. In this left side panel, you'll find various tabs. We are currently in the Templates tab, which will display the same video templates that I showed you earlier. In the Media tab, it will display all of your downloaded images, videos, and audio files. In the Text tab, you'll find several categories of animated text elements that you can add to your videos. In the Video tab, you'll find thousands of royalty-free video clips to use in your video project. Similarly, in the Photo tab, you'll find thousands of royalty-free photos to use in your video project. In the Audio tab, they have a vast library of royalty-free audios that you can also use in your video projects. In the Elements tab, you'll find hundreds of static and animated elements like shapes, emojis, and icons, etc. In the Overlays tab, you'll find various categories of animated overlays to create different types of scenes. In the Tools tab is where you'll find several of the AI tools, which I will cover in a separate video. Down below is a timeline where you manage the various scenes in your video project. In the Video Preview section is where you can get a live preview of your video project, as you can see here. And in the top right corner is the Export button to export your video project as an MP4 video. If you click this FlexClip logo in the top left corner, it will bring you back to the main FlexClip dashboard. The My Template section is where you'll find any custom video templates you've saved. I've not created or saved any templates, so there's none here. In the stock videos section, Israel find a library of royalty-free videos. As you can see here, there are many different types of categories. You can click on a specific category, for example, business, to check the video clips in that specific category. You can also use the search box to search specific keywords. In the cloud storage section, Israel will find all of the downloaded media, and at the top, it'll show you how much storage you've used. In the My Fonts section, it'll display any custom fonts that you've uploaded. I currently don't have any at this time. And finally, if you click this Create Team button, you can create a team if you want to. This will of course depend on the type of FlexClip subscription you have. Well, that wraps up my walkthrough and overview of the FlexClip video creator and editor. You can check my FlexClip review and tutorials to learn more. And you can also check the link in the description section to try FlexClip for free. Thanks for watching.